What's going on, guys? Back to another awesome review video
for today.
So in today's video, I'm going to be trying a sour soda. This hat's so freaking baggy, not even funny. So on this one, yes, I've tried slime liquor candy bars, the strawberry and the blue raspberry. Which this one, yes, this one is the strawberry one, as you can tell.
What?
Slime liquor, sour soda, strawberry. We can get into this one. Let's go ahead and check it out. Maybe this one might be a little bit sour than the World Sour Soda. That wasn't even trying to be sour. Hopefully this one right here will be more sour than the rest of what I've tried.
Whoa, sourness.
Maybe be better than Warheads, who knows. So let's go ahead and get into this and crack this open.
A few moments later.
Let's open this and see how it is. Kaboom. It smells like strawberries, you know. Go ahead and try. Cheers, and let's see. Extremely sour. Really? Almost tastes. That's good. Okay. Flavor's not too bad. It's decent, you know? The toxic waste sour, where's it sour?
There's no sour to this.
It doesn't even smell that tart. It should be just slime liquor soda, because it's not sour at all. It's got carbonation, it's got the flavors, it's not that sour at all. It's not sour at all, like it's slushy-ish.
20 minutes later.
It's not that bad. I can't complain, but it's not really sour, so I don't know. Cheers, and maybe it'd be better this time. It's good, but more sweet. It should have just said slime liquor sweet soda. That goes in. That's not bad though. It's not too bad. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Jesus. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you would try the slime liquor strawberry or would you do the blue raspberry. And for that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace and have a good night. See ya.